Blue Jays when the Pan Am Games isn't here. And he's not going to have to run too far to the base of the CN Tower. Listen to this.
Oh, look, it's bringing the flame outside.
I see. Cauldron, the flame is now lit, and the party has begun.
They will be the largest Pan American Games in history. 62 countries competing in 36 sports. And as you might expect, some fireworks in Toronto.
Crazy.
How awesome was that? It's really worth the wait. Whoa! Oh my God! How awesome was that? That was amazing.
Even the smoke is pretty. Look at the smoke. Looks like a star.
Pretty spectacular opening, Peter.
Oh yeah, very much so. You know, it's been an evening to remember, there's no doubt about it. It kind of sagged there in the last hour with the speeches. It cost a lot of attention. A lot of people left in the stadium. But, you know, I think some of them went outside because that was quite a crowd for Steve Nash. People wanted to be in the position. They knew there were going to be big fireworks off the
CN Tower. Open the dome for people to see it from the inside.
The number of iconic Canadian athletes who came through the stadium tonight was absolutely incredible. Steve Nash, Simon Whitfield, Bobby Orr. You couldn't ask for much better than that. And then to cap it off with Steve Nash to light the cauldron. And so the 17th Pan American Games are underway. We'll be back to wrap the opening ceremony. You're watching TO 2015 on CBC.
Points. Our points. There's gotta be a way to redeem our hotel points.
That's it, right?
This seems crazy. Tell us something we don't know, Captain Obvious. Okay, with Hotels.com, when you collect 10 nights, you get one free. Oh, so you only need to know how to count to 10 to earn a free night at places like that nudist resort.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't know how that...
Take a picture of the plane?